Are you ready to build a sustainable workforce that drives success in your auto collision repair center? Introducing CCI Apprenticeships, the solution to your talent shortage challenges. In today's competitive market, having a well-trained workforce is crucial for the success of your business. With CCI Apprenticeships, you can take your workforce to the next level. Our program offers 4 key career path apprenticeships completed in just 12 to 18 months. No skills are skipped, and apprentices become profit-producing professionals even before graduating. In fact, they start producing more than they cost in just 90 days and break even with all shop costs in 9 to 12 months. But we understand the challenges you face. Predictable workflow and sales can be a struggle. That's where CCI comes in. Our apprentices don't leave the shop to go to school. They show up every day, ready to work and learn. And the best part? Apprentices cost less than fully trained journey-level professionals. In today's competitive market, skilled technicians are in high demand. But even if competition weren't as severe as it is now, apprenticeships are still the best way to bring people into your shop's culture and operations. At CCI, we offer a tailored approach to addressing talent shortages. Our program is available from anywhere you have an internet connection, and it's totally scalable, whether you have a single location or dozens of shops. The benefits of engaging with CCI apprenticeships are clear. You'll see increased gross profit per square foot, improved workflow on the shop floor, and higher customer satisfaction. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from auto collision repair centers like yours who have benefited from our programs by watching the linked video, What Others Say About CCI. And see the real-world data demonstrating return on investment by watching the linked video, ROI for CCI apprenticeships. So what are the next steps? Assess your shop's readiness, adapt our programs to your needs, and establish metrics for tracking success. In conclusion, CCI Apprenticeships shines through as a transformative solution for your workforce needs. By engaging with CCI, you're investing in the success of your business. We encourage you to take action today to secure the future of your business through sustainable workforce development. Reach out to us now to explore how CCI can empower your shop with skilled apprentice technicians, painters, and estimators.